Hello friends, welcome in Ankita's Tech Tutorials. In this video, you will be learn VLookup, the most useful feature of Microsoft Excel. So let's start. Here I have a mark sheet and I want to see total marks of particular student. In this column, we will write here VLookup formula. Every Excel formula start with equal to sign. Then write here VLookup bracket. A lookup value should be this cell. Means we are going to find out marks of roll number. So roll number, when you will write roll number in this column, then you will get the marks, total marks. So lookup value means this cell, then table array. So press here comma and table array means this full table. I am selecting here till 15. Now column index number. Column index number is this one. This is H column means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Column number is 8 and we required here exact value. True means approximate match and false means exact match. We required exact match and that's why false and it means 0. Complete this bracket and one more thing, we have to apply here $sign because this table value is a fixed value. So press here $sign for the column heading and now press enter key. 427. If I change a number like 10, roll number 10, marks is 435. Check here. Correct. If I want to take 15 number, 394. That's it. If you drag this number, then you will get all data, or you can change any number as per your requirement. If you have huge amount of data like product list, salary sheet or mark sheet, that time VLookup is very useful. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe.